Hello, my name is Ozzy, and this is Brian, and today we'll be talking to you about our new smoke detector installation program, courtesy of the Jersey City Fire Department.
This program includes smoke detectors as well as carbon monoxide detectors, both of which we personally install free of charge.
This program is offered to 1 or 2 owner-occupied homes of Jersey City.
Our smoke detector and our carbon monoxide detector are equipped with maintenance-free batteries that can last up to 10 years, so there is no need to replace them.
In addition, we also provide a complimentary surge protector, which is heavy-duty and UL approved. And as we walk into this room, we're going to find Brian, who's doing the installation of the smoke detector. He's going to install it up on the wall in the proper location. Once it's placed in the proper location, then he would test the device to make sure that it's working properly, and your home is going to be safe, and you're going to be safe in your home. And here we find Oscar, who is installing the carbon monoxide detector in the vicinity of the sleeping area. And like the smoke detector, the carbon monoxide detector also has a 10-year battery.
To arrange for a free installation of your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, call the number on your screen. We will also go house to house and place these tags on your front door. These tags will have all the necessary information provided to arrange for an installation.
We highly encourage you to take advantage of this complimentary program, as it benefits to protect you and your home. I'm Ozzy, and this is Brian, and thank you for your attention.